Hey there, my name is Josh Vector and I'm one of the founders of Product Manager HQ, and I'm also the founder and head of product of a software company called Squibbler. In today's video, I'm going to be diving into the world of Chief Product Officers. And I'll be talking about their responsibilities as well as their role within companies. But first, before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to like the video so you can get updated whenever we come out with new product management content. And that way you always get insightful product videos from real product experts. Now let's go ahead and jump in. In order to discuss the role and responsibilities of a chief product officer, we first need to contextualize the environment in which these type of product professionals work by diving into the hierarchy of product division. Every organization has a hierarchy to establish order. Similarly, within the product management field, there's also a hierarchy that establishes order. At the top of that hierarchy sits the Chief Product Officer. In most cases, within that set hierarchy, a divisional product structure for product development would exist whereby multiple product line departments are formed, each one with their own product team, which consists of developers and engineers led by the product directors. Multiple product line product directors report to the product VP, who are managed by the Chief Product Officer, who looks after the end-to-end product strategy and its execution. The CPO becomes a primary executive representative with upper management, and they communicate with the Chief Marketing Officer, the Chief Technology Officer, and the Chief Executive Officer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the background on why the Chief Product Officer term has evolved. The changing digital footprint has transformed the way in which we evaluate products very differently. There's a rise in products, improvements in new features, and advancements in requirements from customers. So lots of things that are happening regarding demand and the supply of products. Customers' demands and expectations evolve with time as well. To handle this evolving requirement, it is important to build a competent profile to initiate progress in product development. This is where companies need another C-level executive to facilitate business growth via products. The compelling need to empower customers more than ever has led to organizations building and responding with specialists. Oftentimes, these are product professionals with advanced knowledge on improving product performance. They're customer-focused, tech-savvy, and most importantly, make the right decisions about products and their roadmaps. Now that we are clear on the need for a strong product-led profile within organizations that practice product development, let's now see where the CPO fits in. Chief Product Officers constantly ensure that the activities of the product organization align with the overall goals and objectives of the organization. In order to fulfill this responsibility, they oversee a wide array of product-related activities within companies. A Chief Product Officer is, in turn, the head of the organization's product department. Most small-sized companies do not hire CPOs since their product managers usually assume the roles of CPOs. In contrast, large-sized tech companies prefer hiring a CPO. This is commonly seen in tech companies that deliver more than one product, such as SaaS companies. And you can think of companies that deliver multiple products like Microsoft. They have Excel, they have Word, and they have many different other products in their line that they sell. A CPO is one who manages products and teams to engineer better outcomes for customers. For companies that like to scale and are looking to scale, it's a must-have role. As mentioned before, the Chief Product Officer is in charge of the strategy and execution of all product-related activities. As a strategic leader, the Chief Product Officer is responsible for a broad scope of product. One of the activities they're involved with is product vision. This is the core idea of the product. Before a CPO can strategize a product, they must come up with a clear vision of what the product will do to help its given target audience customers and users, and how it will solve their problems and what value it will add to their lives. CPOs ensure the product plan aligns with the overall vision and goals of the organization. The next responsibility is to create a product strategy. This involves creating a detailed roadmap for the product lifecycle that includes specifying the product market and the needs it aims to fulfill, making particular reference to know any key performance indicators, KPIs, that will measure the product's performance and the organization's expectations from the product. In most cases, the Chief Product Officer will entrust the development of product strategies to the respective product managers of each product and will simply approve the strategy once they have closely reviewed it. A company often has multiple teams who need to coordinate to give a great output. A CPO needs to make sure cross-functional teams collaborate and that collaboration is on point. This will include communicating company goals clearly, improving vision, outcome, and ensuring timely delivery of the deliverables when it comes to the product roadmap. The Chief Product Officer also oversees the entire product innovation process. They coordinate with the Chief Technology Officer, among others, to plan, motivate, and supervise product development teams so that they can take necessary actions to bring the concept and strategy of a product to life. This involves creating a product that satisfies customer business needs and exceeds product's design expectations. A CPO also needs to make sure that product promotion and sales are in full swing. The product needs to meet the right customers, appeal to them, have them convert, and build loyalty. The Chief Product Officer needs to use product analytics data, effective product communication channels, and make informed decisions based on customer feedback. To that end, they apply the principles of research and analysis to gain valuable insights into their target market, to continuously evolve their product development strategies, and deliver improved customer experiences. Now that we've looked at the responsibilities of a Chief Product Officer, each responsibility they take on requires a particular skill set. A CPO is a leader with good communication and analytical skills, as they influence, manage, and guide employees to steer the entire product department to achieve the organization's goals and vision. The CPO engages customers as a priority. This skill involves listening to them, understanding them, and asking the right questions so you can get the right feedback. And in turn, this will help improve the customer experience that you provide. They should also have the ability to set budgets that use minimum resources and deliver maximum product potential. They are adept at interpreting and maintaining timely qualitative and quantitative reports on product performance. A Chief Product Officer has a keen eye for detail. They ensure that the entire product development process is executed seamlessly without any mistakes. And there you have it. We just took a deep dive into the Chief Product Officer role, and we looked at the different roles in the organization hierarchy that work with the Chief Product Officer. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with everything product management. And if you're looking to level up your product career, make sure to check out our certification courses on productmanagerhq.com. And with that said, I wish you the best in your career. Again, my name is Josh, and I will see you on some of our following videos. Cheers.